scan result shows consistent thickness here.
What about this section near the edge?
The moisture sensor reading is optimal.
In the pre-processing section, bison hides are cleaned in industrial washing tunnels that remove dirt, blood, and debris. In the soaking tanks, bison hides are immersed in temperature-controlled water baths to rehydrate and soften the fibers. The bison hides are then delimed and washed in a series of automated drums, neutralizing chemicals and preparing the hides for tanning. In the baiting process, enzymes are added in computer-controlled drums to further clean and soften the bison hides, enhancing their texture.
The bison hides are pickled in a salt and acid solution, with automated systems ensuring precise timing and
The dried bison leather is conditioned in a climate-controlled room, where automated misters and softening agents restore flexibility and luxury feel. In the splitting section, advanced machines split the bison leather to the desired thickness for various luxury fashion applications.
The bison leather is shaved and buffed by precision equipment, creating a smooth, even surface ready for finishing.
The dyed bison leather is dried again in a modern, energy-efficient drying tunnel, preserving color and texture.
I'm feeling a slight imperfection here on the grain.
Let's check the scan data for that coordinate.
The texture and stitching meet our standards.
Hardware alignment is precise.
Confirmed. Finalizing the quality report now.
The products are packed in custom-designed boxes and dust bags, with automated packing lines ensuring protection and presentation.
The products are packed in custom-designed boxes and dust bags, with automated packing lines ensuring protection and presentation.
The Europe route just completed delivery.
That puts us at 98.5% on time.
Confirmed, shipment successfully delivered.
The factory's fleet management system monitors shipments in real time, ensuring timely delivery to boutiques and customers worldwide. After each production run, all equipment is cleaned and sanitized by automated CIP systems in the modern Bison-Leather factory.
The supply chain software has optimized the routing for the incoming bison hides.
Confirmed. Directing forklifts to the new storage coordinates now. And analyzed by the factory's central computer system, ensuring traceability and quality control. All production data is logged and analyzed by the factory's central computer system, ensuring traceability and quality control. Monitor the temperature sensors in sector gamma.
Readings look stable, holding at optimal levels.
Check the temperature in vat gamma, showing minor fluctuations.
Rerouting coolant flow. Levels stabilizing.
We're testing the new pigment against the embossed texture here. The pilot line allows us to rapidly prototype these variations.
Automated alarms and sensors detect any deviations in temperature, humidity, or chemical balance, allowing instant corrections in the modern factory.
The predictive analysis shows a critical anomaly in sector gamma.
Equipment 7 requires immediate preventative maintenance based.
The logistics software coordinates with retailers for just-in-time delivery and inventory management.
The factory's sustainability program tracks energy and water usage, aiming for minimal waste in Bison-Leather production. The new automation protocols significantly reduce processing time.
Observe the precision here as the arm adjusts to the material thickness.
Look at the uptick in line 3 efficiency. That means we can promise earlier delivery dates starting today.
Okay, I'll update the customer templates now. Look at the tolerances here on the side mirror alignment.
I've noted the discrepancy on the upholstery stitching.
The microscopy confirms the nanoparticles bonded effectively.
And this leather sample shows improved tensile strength after the biotan process.
Utilizing state-of-the-art digital analysis, we meticulously inspect every stage of the Bison-Leather production process.
Is the Tokyo documentation finalized?
Yes, HTS codes confirmed. It complies with all regulations.
This reading confirms the sulfur dioxide levels are within compliance.
What about the diffusion rates further downwind?
We're expanding our team to handle the new automation lines. We need specialized quality control technicians.
And the training timeline for that.
The calibration is holding steady.
Look at the efficiency metrics. We increased output by 20%.
The leather quality is consistent too.
Gauge is in the green.
Checklist signed off. Routine maintenance is crucial for safety compliance.
The sourcing data confirms all bison hide suppliers are certified.
Excellent. Let's move to the chemical supply verification dashboard.
Analyzing these utilization metrics, we can significantly reduce overhead in the next quarter. Agreed. Let's implement this resource reallocation plan immediately.
Initiating the alignment sequence on Unit 4.
Confirmed. Diagnostics show the tolerances are holding steady.
The data confirms the cross-linking efficiency.
We should adjust the parameters to improve absorption.
This batch shows increased durability. The energy management system uses renewable sources to power production where possible.
This GPS data confirms the Bison-Leather goods shipment is adhering to the expedited schedule.
And my taboo.
Sincerely, this Bison-Leather sample is much softer, exactly what was requested.
Yes.
And
And
so-
this design incorporates the additional card slots.
The AI adjusted the production schedule based on the latest demand forecast.
This looks accurate. Let's finalize the Q3 plan for the Bison-Leather items.
If you look at the HMI data here, the arms are optimizing the cut paths in real time. There.
That level of precision will revolutionize the yield.
The simulation predicts a failure on the sorting mechanism.
Adjusting the variables now. The optimization protocol is active.
The error resolves instantly.
Initiate fire suppression protocols immediately. Direct the cannons at the base of the flames.
Understood. Deploying water cannons now. Pressure increasing.
Sir. This display highlights the tanning process, crucial for the leather's durability.
Is that what gives it this unique texture?
This spike in the failure rate is critical. We need to address it now.
The data points directly to the Hyderabad plant's extrusion line.
Right, let's implement the localized fix tonight.
The harmonized tariff schedule codes are confirmed on the declaration.
But what about the phytosanitary certificates for the leather shipment to Asia?
We need those finalized before these goods can move.
This code segment handles the trajectory smoothing.
And the results confirm a 40% increase in efficiency over the previous model.
Our progress towards zero waste goals has been significant. We've reduced waste by over 250%, and
The IT infrastructure supports seamless integration of all automated systems in the factory.
The LCMS data confirms the absence of the primary allergen compounds.
Good. What about the heavy metal screening on the hide samples?
The marketing department creates virtual tours for customers and partners, offering an immersive look at our workspaces.
The microscopy confirms the cellular structure holds up,
and the data suggests it's scalable.
Let's move this to the next phase of testing.
The logistics network ensures timely delivery to luxury retailers and distributors worldwide.
Shows. The ongoing training structure ensures everyone has access to the latest modules.
exactly, and the professional development paths.
As the largest Bison-Leather factory, we begin a new production cycle, continuing our legacy established in 1887.